Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Ethiopian salad dressing. First, let's gather our simple, fresh ingredients. You will need 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and a few key spices. Make sure you have a small mixing bowl and a whisk ready to go. This easy method will bring vibrant flavors to your salad in no time. Now, let's start combining our wet ingredients. Pour the 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice into your bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For an extra layer of tang and emulsification, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk these liquid components together thoroughly until they are beautifully blended and slightly emulsified. This is where the magic happens with our spices. Add 1/2 teaspoon of authentic Berber spice to the mixture. This is crucial for that distinct Ethiopian flavor. Then, incorporate a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Give it another good whisk. Remember to taste the dressing and adjust any seasonings to perfectly suit your palate. Before serving, give your dressing one final, vigorous whisk for about 30 seconds to ensure everything is perfectly combined. For the best flavor, let the dressing rest for 5 minutes. This allows all those wonderful spices to meld beautifully. Finally, generously drizzle this delicious, homemade Ethiopian salad dressing over your fresh greens and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.